One lesson we can take away from the modular synth world and apply to our music productions is the importance and usefulness of random values. When used creatively, applying randomness to certain functions or parameters can actually make your music sound less robotic and more human. Randomization can be used to prevent sounds from becoming too stagnant, to generate interesting patterns, and to create the effect of constant motion in an otherwise repetitive voice. In the modular world, there are a number of ways to use random voltages. One of the most popular methods is stepped random voltages, basically a sample and hold with a noise generator for a CV source. Some modules have this option, like the Make Noise Wogglebug or the Sputnik West Coast random source, sending a newly randomized voltage anytime a clock pulse is received. In Ableton, there are many functions that include timed random value generators, most often associated with LFOs in synths and effects. I'll start with a new instance of Analog and select Filter 1, showing the filter settings. I'll lower the filter cutoff and raise the resonance a bit. I'll assign the LFO to the filter cutoff by clicking and dragging the LFO value under the cutoff menu in the settings. I'll enable LFO 1 and set it to reset with the beat. Then switching the LFO wave shape to Noise 1. When we play the synth, we should hear the stepped random effect of the filter changing at a certain clock interval. If I switch the LFO wave shape to Noise 2, the wave shape indicator shows the difference between the two noise shapes. Noise 1 is stepped, while Noise 2 moves smoothly point to point. While this smooth random LFO function may not be as flexible as some modules, it can certainly be useful. We also see stepped random tools in many effects. The phaser, for instance, includes an LFO sample and hold section. When the random sample and hold shape is selected, the phaser will randomize its frequency. Again, the rate can be synced to the Ableton clock to get the stepped random effect. One handy tool for this kind of randomized modulation of any parameter in Ableton is the LFO MIDI Max for Live plugin. With this tool, an LFO can quickly be assigned to any function, from the mixer to effects to sample scrubbing. Simply click the Map button and then move any parameter in Ableton. LFO MIDI also has a randomization option in its wave menu, and can be synced to the internal clock. Randomizing notes is possible as well with the random MIDI effect, but we'll save that for another discussion. What lessons from the modular synth world have you applied to your music productions? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and thanks to our 2,000 subscribers. As always, please like, follow, and subscribe. And remember, patch smarter.